Hello, Philip here. I would like to show you my development update for my RTS game course. Currently, development update number 5. Let's begin the game. So you can see what's done. Actually, lots of things. So now I'm able to move my camera. Okay, I'm able to avoid the obstacles. So I have a tower in the way. Then my unit will go around the tower. You see also these rocks in the ways. You see, we have implemented our own pathfinding from scratch with the A-star algorithm. So there are no libraries, nothing. Everything is implemented by us from scratch. So I'm able to avoid obstacles and very, very good navigation. Okay, I have created a small labyrinth, not really labyrinth, but we have been testing it out on this small grid down here in the corner. You see, there is also a goblin unit. Goblin unit doesn't do much yet. That was just one of the latest lectures. We have added this unit into the game. This will be the enemy unit. We'll be working on attacking systems on all of these things. This will be there for in the future updates. And yeah, with the building, everything is finished. So you see, when I will start building, I'm not able to build on these obstacles, on the rocks, on the warrior, on the goblin. I can place the building. The building process will be initialized. I'm able to go through it still when it's getting built, but when it will be finished, I will be not able. You see, I'm going now around the building. Okay, so this works as well. Code-wise, lots of things. Pathfinding CS for all the entire pathfinding we have been working on. Then we have updated AI pawn for navigations and yeah, all of this thing. Camera controller. We have now enemy scripts. Will be extending in the next lectures. So yeah. There you have it. Quite big update. A lot of things have been added into the course. If you're interested, check the link in the description. Cheers.